Welcome, welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for giving course building a chance. Um, Thank you for considering building a course in GSPro. If you are watching this video, you are taking the first step. You might be curious, and frankly, that's enough. That's all you need to get started. So again, thank you. It is people like you that make the GS Pro community what it is. And frankly, without people like you that are curious and willing to build courses, GS Pro just simply wouldn't be the platform that it is now. So thank you. Um, I want to introduce myself. I'm going to be your host for the vast majority of the series of videos. On Discord, my name is Master Blasta. That's a reference to a Mad Max character who is I liked Mad Max as a kid. It's just something I stuck with, so I had to pick a name. That was it. Um, no, I'm not a little guy that runs on the back of a giant. So if you know who Master Blast is. My real name in life is Ty Rost. I'm not trying to hide or anything. Um, I'm not in the Witness Protection Agency, so if you want to look me up on LinkedIn or whatever, or Facebook, whatever, my real name's Ty Rost. A little bit about me in GSPro. I do have four published courses right now in GSPro. Deer Valley was my first. It was my home course. Willington Country Club South was my second course. The reason I did that is because it was on the PGA Tour, and I just wanted to give back to the community to have a tour stop to play. My third course and fourth courses were both closed courses. They're in my area and they're kind of historic. So I developed some techniques to kind of revive historic courses. So they're Hershey Parkview, Hershey Links. And I'm currently working on Rock Creek as I talk through this video, and that's primarily going to be a lot of the content that I'm going to show you during this course. I'm an engineer by day, a cybersecurity architect for a large IT manufacturer. I live in Hershey, PA, with my wife. PA, we call it PA. It's Pennsylvania, but I think Pennsylvania is the only state they say PA, right? Anyway, I live in Percy, Pennsylvania with my wife, my three daughters, and my dog, who is also female. So, yes, thank you. Why am I doing this? Well, frankly, I'm paying it forward. That's what this community is all about, is all these people getting together, doing things, volunteering their time, and making a great community. And I'm just paying it forward because I feel like there's a lot of people who put a lot of effort into this community, and this is my way to give back, right? And there are selfish reasons. One is you have what I call the big three, John Mayer, DPRoberts, we call DPR, and Sting. I want to give them more time to do the stuff that helps me, which is create like the software for building these courses, troubleshooting, being, doing like the forward thinking stuff. And frankly, if I can get them out of answering some of the lower level questions by providing these videos to newer people, it gives them a little bit more time to do the stuff that helps me, right? So unfortunately, I'm being a little bit selfish. Also, I want more awesome courses to play in GS Pro. There's a lot of great golf courses out there. There's no way in hell I'm going to be able to create them all on my own. So, more people we can get in here and doing it, the better. And the better you are at it, the better the course is going to be. So, I want more courses. And lastly, it's fun. I like doing this stuff and I like meeting new people. So, cool. Please, my requests here are laugh at my attempt at jokes. My daughters don't. I tell a lot of dad jokes and it's pathetic. Excuse my speech. Sometimes I will swear. I'll drop maybe an F-bomb or two in here, definitely a couple shits. Um, and also, maybe I had a couple beers while doing a couple of these, so I might slur my speech a little bit. And provide feedback. Now, if there's something that's confusing, if I've got a link on a video that's wrong, something think needs clarification, let me know. And lastly, and let me know on Discord. I don't watch the comments too much on the YouTube videos. And lastly, be patient with me. We are all volunteers. Everybody here on this community we're just all volunteers. So if something needs fixed, just be patient. I might not be able to get to it right away. Maybe I'm on vacation with my family. Maybe I get busy at work and I just can't get the stuff right away. So just be patient. Or frankly, maybe I'm just a little bit tired of going videos because I think there's like about 100 of them in this course. So that's it. And consider this your introduction and move forward. And hope you don't get annoyed with my voice.